Hello friends, welcome to Momzing India. I'm Akanksha and today we are going to talk about baby fall, like baby falling when he or she is learning to walk, or baby falling from bed or sofa. So let's divide this video into three parts to understand this more. Falls while he is learning to walk or he is playing, the fall cannot be that dangerous, but if the baby falls from a bed or sofa, the fall can be dangerous as it can be a fall from a height. So just make sure after the fall, if the baby cries and was consolable, after some time he stopped crying, he is completely fine. But even after falling, if he shows some signs that I'm going to tell you in the further video, but if he shows any of these signs, just make sure you rush to the doctor, because first 12 months of the baby's life are very crucial. You have to be very careful. If any such thing happens after the fall, the baby can go through a brain damage, the skull can be broken, the blood vessels can tear, and also there can be internal bleeding. The baby can show any of these signs I'm going to tell you. If you feel like the baby is not fine, anything as abnormal as such happens, please rush to the hospital. But if the baby do not show any signs, please do not worry. The first sign can be no loss of consciousness. The baby should be completely fine. There should be no loss of consciousness, like he should be fine while playing, while eating, while crawling, while doing all the activities. He should be completely fine. Second thing can be vomiting. The third is no bleeding from ear or nose. Just make sure the baby doesn't lose his balance while crawling or walking. There should not be any head injuries. If there is any kind of swelling you see in his head, just make sure you tap it with ice cube. Just make sure you tap it with ice cube and then you rush to the hospital. Like if the ice cubes are kept, the swelling can reduce, and later the doctor can suggest you any ointment. Also just check if there are any ocular changes in eyes, like the pupil of the eye can differ from both the eyes, and also the eyeballs can have a strong movement. So any of these things, if you see any of such sign, please rush to the hospital so it can get cured early. Explained, if there are no as such signs, the baby cried for some time and was consolable later on, he is completely fine. Just make sure you keep a keen eye watch on him for the next 24 hours. Like if the baby is more fuzzier, or the baby is not eating his meals, or also any abnormal changes, loss of balance, or not getting active after a long sleep, just make sure you rush to the hospital. The next thing is, how can we prevent this? How can we prevent a baby from falling, as prevention is always better than cure. So the first thing I would like to tell you, as the baby starts moving his hands or legs, or start crawling or walking, just make sure you never leave your baby on bed, or you never leave your baby alone anywhere in the house. Use bed rails for your bed. I have added the link to my description box. You can just check it from there. Also, it is not possible every time to be with the baby, so at such times just make sure when the baby is sleeping, you complete your work, the household work, or you complete your work and be with the baby when he is playing, or keep an eye watch on him. Never leave him alone in the house. If you cannot get the bed rails, the next option can be just add the mattresses on every side of your bed, so that if the baby falls, he fall on the mattress and he cannot on the mattress. And also you can do a thing, like if your baby is 8+ months old, if your baby is above 8 months old, you can teach him how to get down from the bed. This really helped me. Like my baby, I taught him he was 10 months old when I taught him to get down from the bed, and he learned it 2 to 3, and I just showed him 2 to 3 times, and he is much better. He's a master to get down from the bed now. So teach your baby how to get down from bed. This is this really helped me. My baby never fell off. He once fell off from the bed, but later on when I taught him how to get down from the bed, I succeeded. My baby never falls from the bed after that. I never used bed rails, but I do use mattresses, as the mattresses are a little heighter from the little at height from the floor, so he easily gets down from the bed on the mattress. And now he is 12 plus months old, but he gets down from the bed easily. I hope you like the video. Hit the like button. Do comment on our video to let us know how more can we help you. Do share this video with more parents, as this can really help them, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.